Hello everyone, this is Passion Bonsai. So today's video we are doing it on this jade tree. So it's almost 10 plus years old, and you can see I'm showing you from this footage is from the last year. So this tree belonged to one of my friend, and he was not able to take care of the tree, and so we just did some styling last year on this. And after that I bought this tree from him, and since then I've been working on this tree. So after removing that straight branch, we put some cut paste on that and wired it. So jade plants are, if you see them, if you let them grow without any pruning, the tendency is to grow downwards. Some branches will definitely go up, but most of the branches will become leggy, and it will lose all its shape. So the regular pruning, wiring, if you don't like wiring, if you don't do wiring, or you can use the clip and grow method, also very successful on jade plant. So you have to be regular on this tree, otherwise they lose their shape, and they become like like some house plant. Doesn't look like a bonsai anymore. So now this is after 1 year. So this tree, you can see, has achieved a lot of growth. I also pruned it. So throughout this growing season, I think I pruned it twice. So it looks pretty dense now, since we worked on that last year. So I'm going to remove it from this terracotta growing pot. I try to pull it out. Usually you can pull out the trees from plastic pots, but it's kind of difficult to pull them out from terracotta pots. And the soil, this soil is actually garden soil, so I don't expect a really great root system from this tree. And last time we didn't change the soil, and we just styled it and allowed it to grow. So the root system is not bad, but it's also not like excellent. So I decided not to prune the roots. This is the bonsai pot I'm using for this tree for now. I have some plan in the future. I want to use this tree for penging, so like a rock planting. And now I just want to put it in this pot and let it grow and develop a good kind of root system, and also train the tree which will be suitable for penging. So yeah, I'm trying different angles and see which one looks great. So whenever you also do repotting, or you put your tree in a bonsai pot or a new one, we should check all the possibilities and find out the best one. I'm spraying the roots so they don't get dry, because I'm taking some time. Jade plants or trees, they are very hardy, and they're really suitable for beginners. And if you have climate similar to ours, which is in the summer the temperature can go up to 45-46 degrees Celsius, and the winters it can go up to 2 degree, sometime 1 degree Celsius. So we get cold, and when the summers is there, it's very hot also, and there is rainy season. So the jade plant can take all that very well. It's very hardy. The only thing is you don't want to give it soil which is like clay kind of soil, and the drainage is not good. So if you have a good soil mixture which can drain easily, and free draining soil, you will have very healthy jade plants, and the growth is very rapid. They get thick very easy, and the ramification is amazing. You can get, if you trim a branch, you will get many new branches and new shoots. So this, usually I don't tie trees with the pots, but this one is pretty heavy, so I have to use the wire, as you can see. So as we were talking about this tree, Usually, I prefer for my soil mixture, I use 70 to 80% sand and some crushed brick. Along with that, you can use some cow dung manure or goat manure. Some organic material is good because it provides some nutrition to the tree, and when it's hard, it improves the the soil quality. So yeah, it's a good soil mixture, and I've been using it for like now 3 4 years, and it's good. It's working good for me. So this part of India, which is Delhi, Haryana, and Punjab. I'm from Punjab, so we have very similar climate. So the soil mixture varies from where which part of world you are from. And if you see like in Europe or uh, Western bonsai, even in Japan, their soil mixture is mostly like substrates. They don't use soils like we are using. So mostly it's like particles, and but that one is not successful for us because that soil mixture gets dry very quick for us. So because in summers our temperature crosses like 46 48 degrees centigrade Celsius, so that's very hot. So yeah, so we need some soil mixture which can retain some water and also drain well. And now I'm filling the pot with the soil. You can see the surface roots. So because the tree has been turned upside down, and the surface roots going to be upper part of the pot, they will be visible. So I will cover them with the moss and put some stones and press them down, as because I don't want to cut the roots. Maybe in next reporting I will do. For now, I will just allow this tree to grow and work more on the branches and ramification. So this is what we have after repotting. The stones will be removed after 3 months maybe, and it looks very good tree for penging. Thank you, everyone.